What happens if your supplement processor suddenly flags your account? For many sellers, that means every order grinds to a halt, even though customers are still ready to buy. Here's a simple way to visualize it. If one account gets blocked, a backup can keep your payments running while the issue is reviewed. It is the same idea payment experts use to keep sales consistent. But manually setting up and maintaining multiple accounts takes time, and you still risk downtime if the system is not built correctly. Many supplement and nutraceutical sellers rely on just one merchant account. The problem is, if that account gets flagged for review or a single transaction triggers a hold, your entire checkout flow can stop instantly. That's why EasyPay Direct offers transaction routing, a feature that automatically distributes your transactions across multiple merchant accounts. If one ever gets delayed or flagged, the others keep processing in real time. Your sales don't stop, and your customers never notice an interruption. Here's a quick FAQ insight. Nutraceutical merchant accounts have specific requirements like valid business licenses and full regulatory compliance. Meeting those standards helps keep your account in good standing and your payments running without interruption. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can see how transaction routing keeps your supplement payments moving, even if one account faces an issue. Don't wait until your main account gets flagged to prepare a backup plan. With EasyPay Direct's routing system, your payments keep flowing and your business keeps running. Check the link in the description to get started today.